Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud with Vivek. Today is day 13 of DevOps English Series 2025. Today we will learn about the MB command in Linux. This command is used to move files or rename files. So basically there are two use cases of MB command. First one is to move files, second one is to rename files or directories. It is very basic but very important command for DevOps engineers. Let's understand it step by step. MB stands for move. What? MB stands for move. We use it for moving files or folders from one place to another place. Second, we use for renaming files or folders. So we should understand what is syntax. So syntax of basically our MB command is first one is MB command. After that option you can skip, no issue. After that source and then destination. This is the path that how you can move your data from one location to another location. I hope this will be clear for you. Now when it will move data and when it will rename data, it is very important. So guys, suppose that here I am using mv command. After that my source file or directory name is vivek.txt and I want to copy or move this data, sorry, not copy, move this data where inside del.txt, but there is no file del.txt, then it will rename vivek.txt. Now when it will move data, suppose I am using vivek.txt for move and I give path slash root. So you know by default there is a slash root path. So in the case of when your destination directory available or destination path is available, then it will move data, and when there is no path of destination, then it will rename data. So I hope this will be clear for you. Now let's come and we will do practical. So basically where I am in ubuntu, so I am going to log in with root user. Okay, now what I will do, there is no file or directories, only a file system. I will create mkdir demo and cloud, two directory I created. Okay sir, now you can see cloud and demo two directories available. Now I want to create two files. First one is info.txt, second one log.txt. Two files will be created. Now info.txt and log.txt clearly. Now I'm using mv what info.txt. What I said, I am going to move my data info.txt where inside del, but del is not available in current location. So what it will do, it will rename. You can see your info.txt converted into del. So this is the case when your destination path not available, then it will only rename your data. Now what I said, mv log.txt where inside cloud. So you can see cloud directory available. So what it will do, it will move your log.txt where inside cloud. So now I will ls slash, sorry, cloud. So you can see log.txt moved where inside your cloud directory. So guys, this is the way how you can rename your files or folders, how you can move your data. Now you can do both tasks at a time, means you can rename as well as move. How? Suppose that I am creating touch config.yaml one file. What I did, config.yaml, I created a file. Now you can see config.yaml file I have already. What I will do, mv to which directory of file, config.yaml file I will move where inside cloud. Okay, sorry, not slash, only cloud, because cloud is in current location. So I will give cloud. After that I am giving config, what I am giving, config dot yaml, but I will give different name, config.yaml in the place of config underscore backup. Okay, what I will do, config underscore backup. So what it will do, it will rename. After that it will move. You can see your config.yaml removed from current location. But if you will ls cloud, so it will be available with new name config backup.yaml. So this is the way. Now you want to move multiple files, so you can do also. Suppose I want to move del and demo, both files and directories where inside cloud. How you can do? mv is command, del is my file. Okay, what is del is my file and demo is my directory. Where I want to move? I want to move inside cloud. So now you can ls your del and demo both moved where inside cloud. So now you can see your demo and del both are available where inside cloud. So this is the way how you can move your multiple files or directories from one location to another location, right? Now if you want to rename any directory, then you can also do. How? mv I want to rename my cloud directory as a cloud with vivek. Okay, what I want to do? I want to rename my cloud directory as a cloud with vivek. So what it will do? It will rename. Now you can see your cloud directory renamed as a cloud with vivek. So guys, this is the way. Here are multiple options also, like hyphen I option, hyphen v option, hyphen f option. These options are available. What are the use of these options? Means flags. Okay, so guys, hyphen I option or hyphen I flag is used ask before overwrite a file. Second option, hyphen f, it will force fully move your data from one location to another location. Third one, hyphen v, it will show what happened. Like you want to move your data, I created mkdir backup. Okay, and now I want to mb hyphen v for verb was cloud with vivek. What I said? Cloud with vivek should move where? Inside backup. So you can see it is sorry, you did not move. What you did? You renamed. So it is showing that renamed your cloud with vivek backup. So you can see that your cloud with vivek renamed as backup. So it will show what it is actually doing. Now if you want to move, what you want to do? You want to move your data, then you can move also your data. Okay, so actually guys, it will do both work. Okay, so now you can see backup and ls backup. What it will do? Sorry, backup. Then you can see your cloud with vivek is where? Inside backup. So this is the way. So I hope this command will be helpful for you. Now let's discuss devops real life use cases. First use case, move build files to deploy folder. Then you have to use mb command. Second one, rename log files with date. Then you have to use mb command. So these are the use cases. Now move script into backup. So this is the also use case. So let's once you have to see how you can rename any log file with date. So suppose I created here touch info.txt. Okay, this is the what I said, this is my log file. I want to rename it as a date with date. How you can do? So I said info.txt should rename. So log, I want to convert log underscore dollar. After that percentage date, sorry, date plus percentage capital F and dot txt. So now you can see today's date. What is today's date? This. So this option will convert your file name with current date. Okay, what is today's current date? That date will be mentioned with your file name. So this is the way of your use case of mb command. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel Cloud with Vivek. Drop your questions or suggestion in the comment. See you tomorrow in day 14 where we will learn about next command. So I hope this video will be helpful. Have a good day.